Hi guys, it's Stephanie. I'm with Bella Blvd and I'm showing you the Splash Zone collection. So this is everything about summer, specifically pools and water and florals and sunshines and clouds and adorable little fish. And we've had a really good response to this summer scramble paper, little unicorn floaty and flamingo floaty. These epoxy pieces are new for the collection as well. And then we have ephemera icons and ephemera words. Lots of pieces in a pack that all coordinate. And heart hugs that coordinate with these collections, and our cute clips. And then brand new for the show, we've had acrylic words in the past, so we have new acrylic words, but brand new for the show are acrylic shapes. So you'll see that in all our new lines this spring. And then washi tapes. And this is our 12 by 12 stickers. They're called doohickeys. So cute. That little floaty sticker's adorable. And then clear cuts and invisibles that coordinate. And then brand new 12 by 12 chipboard.
Thanks for watching this video that was filmed in Phoenix, Arizona at AFCI's 2019 Creativation event. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is a life handmade.